Just look at Yasmin's beautiful strawberry. It's naturally deformed. It looks like an ugly heart.
Turn around.
And it looks like an apple on this side. Yes! Strawberry.
Ew!
She found a pruny strawberry. She was black. She's taking a bite out of the deformed strawberry. She ate it! She ate it!
It's good.
No, she's eating it. She killed it. It was alive, she just didn't hear it talk. I was screaming, Yasmin, Yasmin, don't eat me! Oh, it's dead. She just had the lungs. Ew, you're disgusting. I just had one piece of limb.